Hey everyone, if you're dealing with the VAN 9101 attestation failure in Valorant, here's a simple fix. First, press the Windows key and type CMD, then right-click and select Run as Administrator to open Command Prompt. Now we're going to run a couple of commands to check and repair any system file issues. Start by typing the first command and hit Enter. The process might take a few minutes, so be patient. Once it's done, type the second command and hit Enter again. Let it run and wait for it to complete. Once both commands have finished, you can close the command prompt. Next, restart your computer. After the restart, check if the ban 9101 error is gone. If the issue persists, try updating your graphics drivers or closing any unnecessary apps running in the background. That should help clear up any conflicts. Hope this helps you get back into the game. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store linked below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.